In 1990, two men walked into Boston's most exclusive art museum dressed as police officers. 81 minutes later, they walked out with $500 million worth of paintings. The Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum was supposed to be secure, but these thieves had done their homework. They knocked on the door at 1 in the morning, told the guards there was a disturbance call. The guards let them in. Big mistake. The fake cops tied up both guards and got to work. They knew exactly what they wanted: a priceless Vermeer, 3 Rembrandts, works by Degas, 13 pieces total. But here's the weird part. They left behind paintings worth even more money. Their choices made no sense to experts. The FBI has chased thousands of leads, connected it to the Irish mob, Boston gangsters, offered $10 million reward. 34 years later, those empty frames still hang on the museum walls. The paintings have never been found. The thieves were never caught. Sometimes the perfect crime stays perfect.